Hello guys, welcome back. Finally, long awaited. Okay, my boy found a ridiculous deal. When I say ridiculous, I'll tell you at the end. But okay, we got some fresh, new to us, but second-hand rims, which in my opinion, if you want to come with me, look significantly better than the stock ones. Now, obviously, BMW is what I like to call a hit and miss company. Okay, they will make some legendary cars, some legendary wheels, and then they'll crap out this every once in a while. Okay, I don't know what they were going for. It looks like a donut eating another donut. I don't know. It just doesn't look right. It doesn't fit with the car's profile. So today we're going to be putting these bad boys on. Now these tires, these wheels came with, I want to say fresh, because they have got some very decent tread on them. There's not even at the mark line yet. So we're going to be replacing all four. So if you want to come around the car with me, got one for this side. Now, particularly, I'm really excited about the rear ones because they are actually brand new. Like these tires have seen no road, okay, except for the ones they're about to see now. So that's the first step. Now, obviously, if you guys are novices and haven't changed tires before, it's a very critical life skill. I feel like everybody should know how to do. But basic components you need is a wheel spanner, okay, of some sort. Obviously, this is the standard one. Comes with standard sizes that most cars have. Okay, you need a car jack, okay, and a locking wheel nut key if your car has locking wheel nuts. This car has had all four removed, which I like personally because obviously alloys aren't as desirable as they were back in the day. Back in the day, people used to pinch them off cars all the time, but now they're okay. So you don't really need locking wheel nuts, and especially if you damage the key. Long one. I don't want to get into it, but I've been down that road like 800 quid or something later. Finally got the tire off, but it's not fun. But yeah, if you're gonna come with me, we'll get started on this back one because these on a Beamer, rear wheel drive, these are the driving wheels. So yeah, we'll get from there. I'll time lapse this because it's just me spanning a car, so it's not really much to get into, but it is what it is. I'll time lapse it. Let's go.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web.
Back left is off, back right, sorry. And as you can see, there are some differences. This wheel, slightly thicker in girthitude, width, and the diameters, I want to say they're about an inch bigger. Now this car, this was too small for it, so this should be okay. Okay, we'll have to find out together. And they'll definitely be okay on the front because the front is quite high, but the rear is a little bit low. Someone's definitely adjusted the suspension. But yeah, one done, nearly, half of one done, other three to go. Let's get into it.
Need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Great God, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it innocent, a feeling discontent. I'm only facing it all.
One actually completely done. We're about to just drop it down. Come on, guys. Opinions in the comments, okay? Left or right? I think right-hand side 2005, 2012. Okay, like I think this elevates the car's entire body line. It looks, just looks crisp. I like it a lot. Okay, I'll drop the car down and we'll see how it actually sits. And fingers crossed, it doesn't go in the wheel arch. Wonderful. Oh, beautiful. Sits perfectly.
Can I be your superhero? You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the
50% done. Okay, this side looking great. The car is on a wobble now because these are the other way. These are a bit higher. Well, once we sort out this the other side, should all level out, should look great. But yeah, I think a solid job there. No complaints. On to the other side.
Could we just ignore our problems now? They pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you.
And just like that, reborn. Reborn. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. There's levels to this. There's levels to this. I think this makes the entire car look entirely different. If you have a private plate on this, you cannot tell it's an 07 E90. But I think that looks elite. It's, honestly, I think wheel changes are the simplest things you can do to a car that just elevates its entire profile. Like, you can't get this type of look, okay, by just simple mods. But oh, yeah, no. But let me know what you think in the comments, okay? But yeah, guys, believe it or not, for all 4 rims and new tires on them, 90 quid. I mean, boom, insanity. I think solid deal. Thank you, the woman out there that gave me this deal. Absolutely amazing. I think it's made the car look 10 times better. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, peace out.